Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 are the company's first truly wireless earphones with a semi-in-ear slip-proof design. It has been made in a way that offers a comfortable and a secure fit. We have with us the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2, and here's what you'll find inside the box if you're looking to buy it from Amazon. Let's open this box. As you can see, there is the carry case for the earphones along with the USB Type-C cable for charging. There are some paperwork in the small box. The carrying case doubles up as a charging unit for the earphones when not in use. With the case, the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 can provide up to 14 hours worth of battery life on multiple charges. On a single charge, the earphones offer 4 hours worth of listening experience. The Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 comes with 14.2mm dynamic drivers and offers environmental noise cancellation for an immersive listening experience. These earphones connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth 5.0. It features an optical sensor that detects when the earphones are not being used and pauses the music playback automatically. The Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 works with Google Assistant, Siri or Alexa. Just tap on the earphones to wake up the voice assistant. So that was a quick look at what you will find inside the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 box. Thanks for watching this video.